Lava can reach temperatures of over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while lasers can cut through steel with pinpoint precision. Which force is truly more destructive? Imagine a volcanic eruption, molten rock flowing down mountainsides, obliterating everything in its path. Now picture a laser beam, slicing through materials as if they were paper. This is not just a battle of heat versus light. It's a clash of nature and technology, each with its own devastating capabilities. What if we could measure their destruction side by side? How do they compare in their ability to cause chaos and ruin? On one hand, lava moves relentlessly, engulfing entire landscapes. On the other, lasers strike with a focused intensity that can vaporize objects in an instant. As we dive deeper, we'll conduct an experiment to witness their powers firsthand. The tension builds as we prepare to unleash both forces in a dramatic showdown. In the end, we'll uncover which element emerges as the ultimate destroyer. Was it the fiery wrath of lava, or the cold precision of lasers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which do you believe is more destructive? And don't forget to explore our other thrilling videos on this channel. Lava is a fascinating natural phenomenon, with temperatures that can soar above 1,200 degrees Celsius. This immense heat is what allows lava to flow out of volcanoes during eruptions. The incredible temperature not only makes it a spectacle, but also influences its viscosity. Depending on the composition, lava can range from being quite runny to extremely thick, which affects how it moves across the landscape. When it comes to flow behavior, some types of lava can create gentle rivers, while others can form towering lava domes. On the other hand, lasers are another impressive creation, known for their extreme temperatures and precision. They can generate heat that rivals that of lava, but in a highly controlled manner. Lasers emit focused light, allowing them to cut through materials with astonishing accuracy. This precision makes lasers incredibly useful in various applications, from medical procedures to industrial cutting. Unlike lava, which flows and spreads unpredictably, lasers can be directed exactly where they are needed. While both lava and lasers are capable of generating extreme temperatures, their behaviors are quite different. Lava can create vast landscapes over time as it cools and solidifies into rock formations. In contrast, lasers don't leave behind physical traces in the same way. They are tools that provide immediate results. The way they interact with materials also differs. Lava engulfs and alters environments, while lasers slice through them, offering a more refined approach to destruction. The viscosity of lava plays a significant role in how it interacts with its surroundings. Thicker lava tends to build up near the volcano, creating explosive eruptions, while more fluid lava can travel long distances, reshaping the land as it cools. Lasers, however, maintain a consistent intensity, allowing users to execute detailed tasks without the unpredictability of flowing lava. This fundamental difference is what makes both lava and lasers unique in their destructive capabilities. In summary, the physical and chemical properties of lava and lasers highlight their contrasting characteristics. Lava's extreme temperatures and flow dynamics create natural landscapes, while lasers provide precision and control. Understanding these differences is essential for appreciating how each element impacts its environment in distinct ways. And there you have it. From the fiery rivers of molten rock to the focused beams of light that can cut through steel, we've seen just how powerful both lava and lasers can be. But which one truly takes the crown for destruction? Was it the relentless flow of lava, with its immense heat that can obliterate everything in its path? Or was it the precise and intense laser, capable of causing swift devastation in a blink? Now let's take a moment to think about this. Imagine standing at the edge of a volcanic eruption, feeling the ground tremble beneath your feet. Can you picture the sheer force of nature? On the flip side, visualize a laser cutting through materials with pinpoint accuracy. How does that compare in your mind? We want to hear from you. Which do you believe is more destructive, and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showdown of elements, don't forget to check out our other videos where we dive into more fascinating comparisons and experiments. What will we explore next? Stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.